My journey into the world of hair growth has revealed that one ingredient that has helped me in stimulating hair growth, promoting healthy scalp, and addressing common hair issues such as dandruff, bald patches, hair thinning, itchy and flaky scalp. My hair is super healthy today, and I can give credit to this super potent recipe using just one ingredient and prepared in a specific way. If you want to know how you can use this ingredient to thicken, darken and grow your hair, then make sure you watch this video till the very end and pay close attention to every detail so you won't miss out on anything. That one ingredient is oregano. I'll be making use of 4 to 5 spoons of that, and this is what it looks like. Oregano contains carvacrol, a compound that has been linked to increase blood circulations on the scalp and enhance the delivery of essential nutrients to the hair follicles. It has antifungal and antimicrobial properties that shield against scalp issues. It contains antioxidants that protect hair from free radicals. Oregano prevents hair from becoming weak, brittle or prone to breakage. It contains thymol, which is known for its antiseptic properties to prevent infection and promote healing of the scalp. I'll go ahead and put water on the stove to boil. After that, I'll go in with my oregano dried herbs into the boiling water. Allow to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Stir a little and reduce the heat to simmer. Boiling, and this is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and take it out and allow to infuse for extra 6 to 8 hours before straining it out. It's been 6 hours, so let's go ahead and strain it out and transfer into my empty spraying bottle. You can as well make use of your applicator bottle, it depends on you. Now that we are done with that part, the next thing is to show you guys the best way you can apply it for better effectiveness. For this kind of treatment, one thing you have to target is your scalp. You need to focus on your scalp. And this is not to say that you can't apply it to other areas. You can as well apply it to your edges, your hair and your hair tips. Just that for this kind of treatment, I love to focus more on my scalp because healthy scalp means healthy hair growth. Basically, I'm just gonna advise to apply directly to the affected area. If you've been trying to grow your edges back to normal, focus on your edges. If you've been trying to retain hair length, spray it to your hair. And if it is healthy scalp that you're trying to promote, you can spray directly on your scalp to help you get rid of dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, bald patches and so on. Apply the treatment generously. After that, I'll be showing you guys how you can massage your scalp for better blood circulations. Massage your scalp gently using your fingertips in a circular motion for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just follow the exact thing that I'm doing. Make sure you're not using your fingernails as it can damage your scalp. I'm done massaging, I'll go in with my hair growth oil. I have several videos on that. You can check them out, or I might as well drop their link in the description box below. But then if you have oily scalp, I would advise you skip this part unless it's your hair wash day and you're using this treatment as pre-poo. And talking about pre-poo, Guys, you can use this treatment as pre-poo and earrings. It is that good. Now let's talk about preservation. The best way you can preserve this treatment is by putting in refrigerator for 7 days. This treatment can be used as everyday leave-in spray for our natural hair. Just in case you have any question for me regarding this treatment or your hair in general, kindly drop it in the comment section below as I'll be there to answer all your questions. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a huge fat fake thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.